Yes, now the question here is that find the area of the shaded region. So as you can see, we have a curve, we have two lines. For the two lines, so this line here, this is a y is equal to 9, and this line here is y is equal to 4. So let's find the points where the two lines are intersecting with the curve. So how do you know which the coordinate of this point? So you say y is equal to 9 intersect with y is equal to x squared. Therefore x squared is equal to 9. Therefore remember we are finding the value of x at this point. So if x squared is equal to 9, therefore x is equal to 3. So at this point the value of x is 3. Again, let's find the value of x where line y is equal to 4 is intersecting or is meeting the curve y is equal to x squared. So to find the value of x at this point, so we say when y is equal to 4, the equation of the curve y is equal to x squared, and then y, so 4 is equal to x squared. If x squared is equal to 4, therefore the value of x is going to be the square root of 4, which is 2. So at this point the value of x is at this point the value of x is 2. Now how do we find the area of the shaded region? So we are going to have this procedure to find the area of the shaded region. Number 1, let's find the area under the curve from 0 to 3. So we integrate x squared. So remember we are starting from 0 to 3. So we are going to have x raised to 3 divided by 3 plus c. So when we integrate, we're going to have x 3 plus c from 0 to 3. Then so we have 3, that's 3 cube 1 by 3 plus c minus, so this is simply going to be 0. So 0 and c, so we are going to remain with, so this is 0 cube divided by 3 plus c. So 0, 0, c and c is going to cancel out. C and c is going to cancel out, so we remain with 3 raised to power 2. Remember, when we have 3 raised to power 3 divided by 3 raised to power 1, so we subtract the powers, we remain with 3. So we have 9. Therefore, the area under the curve is 9 square units. So we are done with the area under the curve from 0 to 3. So next, again, so let's say this is region A and this is region B. So we have region A and region B. So the area so we have region A and B, and remember B is this region here and A is this region here. So if we take the area of A plus B is going to be equal to the area of this bigger rectangle. I hope you can see the bigger rectangle, the area of this bigger rectangle here. So the area of this bigger rectangle is length times width. Our length is 3 units and the width is 9 units. So A plus B is equal to 3 times 9 minus the area under the curve. Remember the area under the curve was 9 units. So therefore a plus b is equal to 27 minus 9. So a plus b is equal to 18 square units. So we have a plus b, but the question is find the area of the shaded region. The shaded region is b, so we must find the area of a, then subtract from b. How do you find the area of a? So for us to find the area of a, of region A, so the area of region A is going to be equal to, now we take this area here, again this is a rectangle. How do we find the area of a rectangle? Length times width. So our length here minus the area under the curve from 0 to 2. So minus the area under the curve. Remember the equation of the curve is y is equal to x cubed. So if we integrate that, we are going to have x cubed over 3 plus c. So remember this c is going to cancel out because we are starting from 0. So 0 to 2. Remember this is the area of region A. So region A, we take the area of this rectangle minus the area under the curve from 0 to 2. So length times width is 2 times 4. So minus, we have x cubed, but what's the value of x? So we start with the 2. So that's 2 cubed, 1 by 3. 2 cubed divided by 3 plus c, and then minus, so that's 0 cubed